to my video. So you thought I am not an OG, but I'm actually an OG. I played Roblox in 2023, and that year my channel was not released. Yeah, guys. And if you forgot that my most favorite game got deleted, like Giant Simulator, it's not here anymore. So that's why I'm playing this. So there's some crazy glitch that you can do this. I mean, maybe the glitch has patched. Yeah. Anyways, let's cook them. Well, I have a cool trick. Like, you know that if you shoot the bottom, it would sink. Oh, no. No! I don't need a boat. I can simply just parkour. I can simply just parkour. Don't make this a meme, bro. If you make this a meme, I'm getting angry. Oh, for the What's the boom? Fire in the hole! It's so funny, bro. Like, you can do that. Yeah, bro, you can do that, guys. Like, fling yourself. You know, don't need something. You can fling yourself like this in the boat, and then it's really funny. Fire in the hole! Come on, guys. I want to fling myself. Okay, now! Bro. Control. Last hope. Wait, did I hit that? No way, bro. Fire in the hole! Nah, bro. This is gonna be cool. No, my team got eliminated. Fire in the hole! Nah, that's not enough. We need something. Nah, I'm an edit. Yo, I'm sniping them. Okay, nah, bro. Okay, fire in the hole. Oh, it didn't work. Hey, what's this? Okay. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Bro, I simply hit them, bro. Bro, I literally sniped them. Okay, this is my favorite. Let's go! Bro, that's literally mine. Bro, just steal it from me. Bro, that's a mosquito. Mosquito, I hate them. Slinging our bow to win against them. Boo! Fire in the hole. Now. Okay, that's not work. That didn't work. Okay, let's try it again. Fire in the. Bro, I didn't know that. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's try it. Next time I will go. Bark! Okay, not again. Bro, why did that why did the boat parry? Nah, bro. You ain't getting this back, bro. Launching ourselves again. Fire in the hole. Launching ourselves again. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Oh no, 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 no. You know what? Bang, bang, chicken gang. Okay, today. Yo, the orange wins. Boof. Multi-bomb. Bro. Nah, this is so overpowered. Infect enemy, pirate, or destroy them to win. Yo, that's you, bro. All we need is all we need to destroy. Oh no, bro. I ain't getting that disrespect. So bye guys. I got to go because my